Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, DOT shows some weakness here. I mean, so far we haven't had any invalidation of the more direct pathway to the upside. But if you followed the last videos, then you are aware that certainly the move up of the lows that were made here early in the week, that move up was not impulsive. So again, we can consider that the fifth wave has started, but it would only be a diagonal because of the overlapping price action here. Diagonals cannot be trusted, and they can often be, mixed up with corrective structures. So again, whenever you see a diagonal, just be on the side of caution. The wave count can easily change, just because it's not necessarily strongly trending. I mean, in a diagonal, you have a lot of overlapping price action, so the risk is that a lot of the bears or a lot of the sellers are still selling into the rally, and that exactly leads to a situation in which we are now, in which there is some weakness, and we broke out of this trend channel to the downside. Again, that indicates weakness. The diagonal pattern to the upside is still a possibility, but as we said in the last video, the $6.10 level is still support. So as long as that level is holding, everything's okay, even in this particular scenario, which we can just carry on with what we've been focusing on, which is a still unfolding uptrend. The question is though, okay, is this fourth wave, circle wave 4, maybe still in the making? And there are a few ways, and the risk is that, it is still in the making due to the absence of an impulse to the upside, and also the fact that it didn't really sustain above circle wave 3. So what could still be unfolding here? So first of all, because this is a wave 4, what's always possible that this is just an ABC structure with a high B wave. We get a lot of high B waves, especially in wave 4 corrections. So you hear me talk about these all day at the moment. And that's basically because we are in a lot of crypto structures in these B waves. So A wave down, ABC in wave B can be high. Again, the move down was a 3-wave move. That always means that the B wave can be quite high, quite aggressive. And then a C wave down can still happen, and it might push us closer towards $6.44. That's the 38.2 retracement and an ideal target for a fourth wave. We already touched that level here. Another possibility is that it's just going to be sideways action here, and that we're actually dealing with some triangle pattern. So something like that. Obviously, we haven't really very well defined triangle waves here yet, okay? But it could be that the wave 4 itself unfolds as a triangle. How can it do that? Very easily. A triangle can happen in a wave 4, and these are oftentimes, well, they have to be 5-wave moves. So wave A, wave B, but you see, we don't have enough waves yet, because this could be a wave C, yes, but it's not even finished. Then a wave D and a wave E. So there's a lot of stuff that still has to happen to give us some evidence, like solid evidence that a triangle is unfolding. Either way, you can twist this around, you can think about different structures. Bottom line is the $6.10 level needs to hold to maintain the idea that we could be working here on a fourth wave. And this fourth wave really needs to give us some evidence that it's over. So with a break, a sustained break above the circle wave 3 top, which formed here at around $7.70. So we have to remain patient. Wave 4 corrections, generally corrections, are frustrating, especially corrections in crypto, because the trending movements are so rapid and so aggressive that the corrective movements take a lot of time. It just takes a lot of time to correct these rallies. It's a similar situation to the metals market, actually. Gold, silver, I often highlight that. Also, they go through very, very long corrections, but I think the crypto corrections are even longer than the ones in gold and silver and metals markets in general. But either way, we have no evidence that the wave 4 is over. It could be, yes. But I have to say, with a break below the trend line, it's become less likely that the wave 4 is over, and then it leaves a lot of room for interpretation because the correction is likely still unfolding. So wave 4 is probably still unfolding. That means we can look at flat structures, we can look at triangles here. For a triangle, we haven't got enough evidence. So if it's a flat, then it should come down close to $6.44. Below $6.10, we would have to look for alternative scenarios. That's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.